De-anthropocentrism. This is a story about getting rid of anthropocentrism. Anthropocentrism, where humans are considered central to everything and more important than anything, is the result of worldwide colonization by those who considered themselves all-powerful. This story imagines a future where the indigenous peoples, having watched colonizing powers destroy themselves, reclaim a broken world and begin it afresh. These new yet old leaders will begin healing our environment, starting with the recognition that the rivers, mountains, trees, and their collective kin have their own right to exist with dignity and their own personhood. This story about indigeneity is underpinned by my own self-reflection. When tracing my own lineage, I came up with the possibility that I may descend from the tattooed people, the Picts. The Picts are an ancient people who inhabited the land north of England now called Scotland. Looking back over the last few hundred years, I've observed some humans being very cruel. They were cruel to other human beings. They were cruel to the animals trying to survive. They were cruel to the landscape and to the water. All over planet Earth, those people have stolen lands that were previously occupied by others. Sometimes they even annihilated other groups. Something commonly known as genocide. Boom, diddy boom. We're living in a strange, disturbed world where lunatics run the show. I have recognized 3 lead actors in this atrocious show of human depravity. I'll call them President Fart, Grand Oreille, and Putrid. Referring to his sunset painting of the Emperor Heliogabalus, Anselm Kiefer said, "In a sense, the timeless river scene indicates the fleeting authority of rulers, ranging from emperors in ancient Rome to political tyrants today." These tyrants' actions may seem to go on forever, but as it has always been, they will all eventually die, one way or another. And what we're going to see when they die is how the concerted efforts of those who've been decimated and almost annihilated can regrow and recognize once again the rivers as living beings, the mountains as living beings, the trees as living beings, all manner of creation as having a right to remain unharmed and unmolested. And gradually we will see those places regenerate, and the green will return, and the trees will grow again, the rivers will be cleaned, the sea will no longer be a rubbish tip. All the rubbish of history will be cleared out to move the planet forward to a better place. See how it goes.